Today we're going to be making something really simple, something that I've always loved ever since I first traveled to China for my old-fashioned work. It's steamed fish in soy sauce and scallions. Now this is something that is so simple to make, and it's so quick to make as well that, you know, I mean, it's just a no-brainer to make it at home. So I'm just going to just cut some scallions really thinly. You always need to get these done really thin. I learnt the hard way. Cooking Japanese style in a Buddhist monastery. So we've got a beautiful piece of red snapper here. Really gorgeous. Now this is a heat-proof plate, so I'm going to put this straight on there. I'm going to scatter it with some sliced ginger and some of the scallions. And then on top of that I'm going to put some low sodium soy sauce, a little sesame oil. Right, now this is going to go straight onto the Right, so we had some water boiling earlier on to make some pasta actually. So I've kept it and just changed the top. So I'm just putting that on top of the water. Now if you've got a steam basket you can do that. And then just this on top. I'm going to turn the heat up. And what this does, it doesn't so much steam the fish as it heats the plate, and then the fish will start to cook and create its own stream and juice. And all of the aromatics we put on there, the sesame oil, the ginger and the scallions will cook. We're going to be putting like a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, a teaspoon of soy sauce, and a teaspoon of mustard. Sorry. Now I'm just going to chop up even tiny smaller some of this scallion that we had left over from the fish. I'm going to add some of that into the dressing. I'm trying to do it to taste. Now the fish is starting, you can see the steam coming up from under the steamer, and the plate is now getting hot. So this is going to start cooking. It takes about 10 minutes. Now if you don't want to do this, you can always make it in a packet on papillote, which you can see also on the channel how to do that, and bake it in the oven. But this is actually a really easy way, and if you don't have a fancy steamer, you can literally just put it between 2 plates, which is kind of how my mother used to do it when I was a kid. But the effect is the same. Now, what's great about this being transparent is I can start to see when the fish is starting to look like it's cooked. All of this bubbling going on is actually from the water from before. And the thing too is with when you're steaming things, you don't need to have it on a hard boil, because boiling point is boiling point, and the steam actually makes for a very, 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 very even temperature. It's like 212 degrees, so it's kind of a great way to cook. Like this is not. You can see that it's all completely cooked. and garnish a little bit of cilantro.